Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, today we shall start the next chapter, that is differential equations. This chapter carries for nearly up to 10 marks in your annual examination. That is 2 marks, okay, one question, 3 marks one question and 5 marks one question will be there. Therefore, the total of how many marks? That is total of 10 marks this chapter carries. Okay, 10 marks this chapter carries here. It is a very simple example, simple chapter here. Just it requires both differentiation as well as integration concepts here. Now, before starting with this differential equation, you should know what do you mean by just equations. Okay, what do you mean by linear equations? Okay, then quadratic, okay, linear equation, one variable in two variable, quadratic equation, these all are the basic things. Now, we are knowing that x plus, that is 3x plus y, 3x plus 4 equal to 0. This is an equation, okay, that is a linear equation in one variable, okay, linear equation in one variable, that is one variable. Similarly, if we have right 3x plus 2y is equal to 4, that is nothing but here linear equation in two variables x and y here. Now, simultaneous linear equations also we had learned here. Then afterwards, quadratic equation, that is nothing but x square plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is nothing but our quadratic equations. These all are nothing but what it is, a equation. And what do you mean by solution of that equation? Solution means if I substitute that solution in the equation, we should get LHS equal to RHS over there. Okay. After substituting that solution value in the given equation, that should prove our given equation, or the solution means the variable that satisfies the given equations ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. Differential equation, okay, that is nothing but here it is of the form a dy by dx, okay, dy by dx equal to f of x here, dy by dx equal to f of x here. Now, whenever differential equation means, how we can define is an equation, okay, an equation which consists of the derivative means what, d by dx, and differential operator, okay, and differential operator means what, d by dx, okay, one thing, and a dependent variable. What is a dependent variable? Y here, dependent variable, and an independent variable, that is x. Such equations are said to be as differential equations. I will write down the definition, that is nothing but here a definition. Equations involving derivatives, okay, then after that equations involving derivatives, an independent variable and an dependent variable, and an dependent variable is said to be okay, and differential equation, okay, very simple. Now, for example, what I can take is, that is x plus y equal to dy by dx. Example I can take, lot of examples I can take it as x plus sin y is equal to dy by dx, x plus sin y equal to dy by dx, or x plus sin x I will take here, x plus sin x I can take here. Then afterwards we can take lot of things, that is x square plus 2xy, okay, plus dy by dx, or d square y by dx square, okay, is equal to 1 here. Now here d square y by dx square, these all things, etc. These are all nothing but the examples of what it is, differential equation, simple differential equations, one thing. Then after this, soon after this definition of the differential equations, there are two types of the equations here. There are two types of the differential equations. One is ordinary and one is partial differential equation. Now, how we can differentiate this ordinary as well as partial differential equation. Now here ordinary, okay, ordinary means what? Here y is dependent on one single variable, that is x, okay, that is nothing but we are having f y is equal to, we are having the function as y is equal to f of x. Y is dependent on one single variable x here, okay, that is we have to differentiate y with respect to only one single variable, that is nothing but dy by dx. Whereas in the partial differential equation, okay, dear students, whereas in the partial differential equation this particular y is dependent on, okay, for example dz is dependent on dy as well as dx. Here in this partial are denoted by dou here, okay, here in this partial are denoted by dou, that is dou z by dou x into dou y. Now for our discussion in this second PUC syllabus, you are having only related to ordinary differential equations, okay, ordinary differential equation. Now ordinary differential equation is how we can define a differential equation, okay, where the dependent variable y is dependent on one single independent variable, that is x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. y ಅನ್ನೋದು y is dependent on x here, okay, that is nothing but our ordinary differential equations. Think here. Now soon after this, that is the definition of this differential equation, one more main notations that we shall understand here. The first one is, that is notation dy by dx, I can also call it as y dash, or someone also call it as y1 here, okay, or someone also call it as y1. Similarly, that is d square y by dx square, I call it as y double dash or y2, okay, and similarly d cube y by, that is a third order, that is nothing but dx cube is equal to y3 dash, triple dash or y3, okay. Similarly for nth order, d raised to n y divided by dx raised to n, it is noted as yn. Why? Because y to the power of dash I can't write so on till n times here, okay, so therefore we write it as y here, okay. These are all the notation that we'll learn, that we'll write in the forthcoming problems or in the forthcoming chapters, we will utilize this. One thing. Next comes and very important notations, that is whenever the differential comes, there are two important things to understand. One is order and one is the degree of the differential equation. Let us observe here. One is the order and degree of differential equation. Now wherever the differential equation is there, I will write just d here, okay. Now what do you mean by differential equation? What do you mean by differential equation? Order and degree. The first one we shall observe, that is nothing but here order. The first one we shall observe, that is order here. Now what is that order here? That we shall examine here. First of all, order. Order means what? So here the order can be defined as, order of the differential equation is defined to be as, okay, highest derivative present in the given differential equation. Definition ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, highest derivative present in the given differential equation, okay, given differential equation is known as that is nothing but order. What examples I can give is example that is dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ order ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, order is nothing but 1 here, that is nothing but d raised to 1 divided by dx raised to 1, highest order, that is 1 here. The second example I can give here is d square y by dx square plus d cube y by dx cube plus y is equal to dy by dx. Here which is the highest derivative? It is the first derivative, dy by dx. Then differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ d square by dx square ಬರ್ತದೆ. After differentiating this, what I get here? d cube y by dx cube. So here what is the order here? Order is nothing but here highest derivative is 3 here. That is 3 times differentiating ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥಲಿ. Okay dear students, that is all about the order here. Now let us learn about the degree here. Degree. Now what do you mean by degree here? Now here degree, that is nothing but the, okay, a power of the, or the exponential power of the highest derivative present in the given differential equation. That is power or exponential power. exponent power of the exponent power of the highest derivative present in the given differential equation. In the given differential equation is known to be as degree here. And here there are two conditions, there are two very very important conditions to note it down. The first one condition is, okay, A part, that is we should have an algebraic expression here, okay, or an algebraic polynomial here. We should be, equation should be polynomial. We can find a degree only if we are having and fraction, that is nothing but here polynomial in what it is, it should, equation should be if equation or if differential equation has, that is nothing but fractional powers, that is nothing but here polynomial, algebraic, that will explain afterwards, algebraic polynomial. One thing only we can find, that is only if it is the differential equation as algebraic polynomial. And the B part is, after clearing all the fractional powers, okay, we have to clear all fractional powers, we have to clear all the fractional powers. So these are the two conditions that we require here. Now depending on these we shall look onto the simple examples or the simple examples related to our degree here. Okay dear students, so now we have learnt about the definition of differential equation, order as well as a degree. Now let us look onto the simple examples related to our order and degree. Okay dear students, so before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us move on with the that is already we had seen about the order, that is order and degree definitions. Now let us move on with the simple examples related to our order and degree here. So now first of all I will write down the examples here, then afterwards we'll write both order and as well as degree here. The first example, any one simple example, that is d square y by dx square, okay, whole square plus dy by dx plus sin x equal to 0. Okay, fine dear students, it is a simple example here. Now order means what it is, highest derivative. Here we can observe that dy by dx, okay, d raised to first time derivative, and here we are doing is twice a derivative, therefore the order is 2, highest derivative is 2 here. One thing, order is 2. And what about degree here dear students, means power of the highest order. Which is the highest order? This is the highest order. Either power another order after clearing all the fractional powers ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ನಮಗಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so what we get here, we are having here 2, therefore the degree is 2 here, it relates to here. Then we shall move to the second example, that is the dy by dx whole to the power, or we'll write in terms of notations, y2 whole raised to 4, okay, whole square or whole cube I will write, y1 whole to the power of 5 plus y is equal to x here. This is a differential equation. Y1 denotes what? dy by dx. Y2 means what? d square I by dx cube, whole cube it is. Now here what is the order here? Order, okay, second example, it is our first one. Order means what it is? Order means highest derivative. It is y1 means what? dy by dx. Y2 means what? d square I by dx square. Therefore the highest order is 2 here. 2 is the highest order. And this highest order power we have to look here, not the highest power here, that is highest order is 2 here, y d square by dx square, its power, that is nothing but here, degree is nothing but here 3, degree is nothing but here 3. Then the third example, that is nothing but here we are having dy by dx plus sin y is equal to x. Here of course we can find out the order. Order is what? That is dy by dx, that is nothing but 1, whereas a degree is not defined. Why it is not defined? Means since the first point or the first condition, what was that? All should be a polynomial equation. The polynomial, but here we are having a trigonometric equation. Okay, it of course it is a differential equation only. Differential equation degree we can find only if It is an polynomial equation. Here we can't express this in the form of the polynomial equation. Polynomial means I can write as y1x here, x square y2, like this. All these are polynomial equation. Whereas sin y, then e raised to y, then log y, then tan y. If suppose we are having in the equation, or we may have y1 also, sin of y1, tan of y2, log of y3, these all things whenever you are having the equation, that term degree is not at all defined, but order is defined. But what it is? But order is an defined thing there. Now similarly you can take the fourth one, that is nothing but here d cube y by dx cube, or y3 I can write, whole to the power of 2 here, plus of log of y, that is dy by dx, equal to sin x I can write. In the example, if sin x is there, it is also right, but it should not be in terms of, that is sin y here, that is a dependent variable formally reparto. Now here what is the order here? Order, it is nothing but the highest derivative, d cube y by dx cube is the highest derivative. It is a dy by dx, 1 it is 3, order is 3, whereas a degree is not defined. Why it is not defined here? Why? Because here we are having log of dy by dx we are having in the given equation. If suppose it was not there, then we can find out the degree here. Degree, that was nothing but 2. But since it is log of that value, it is not at all defined here. Okay, dear students, now let us move on with the exercise problems related to our, that is order and degree here. Okay students, now let us move on with the first example related to our exercise number 9.1 here. The first example, it is very simple. The first example, that is d raised to 4y divided by dx raised to 4 plus of sin of y triple dash equal to 0. Equal to 0. It is a simple example. We shall observe here. Now here what we are having here is order. Of course the order is defined. Order means what it is? The heading is find order and degree. The same as it is order and degree. Find order and a degree. The whole exercise of finding the order and degree here. What is the order here? Order means I will write as O here. Order means highest derivative, d raised to 4 divided by dx raised to 4. Here it is triple dash. Triple dash means what it is? D cube by dx cube, that is nothing but here d cube y by dx cube, that is nothing but here y triple dash. Okay dear students, now here highest order. What is the highest derivative? That is nothing but here 4 here. And whereas the degree is not defined. Why degree is not defined, dear students? Because in y triple dash it is not an polynomial equation or algebraic polynomial call here. It is not an polynomial equations. First thing. Then second example we shall learn. Now let us move on with the x. Okay, important as per as your examination point of view problems. Let us observe. The first one, that is d square y by dx square whole to the power of 3 plus cos of dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, this was asked in June 2019 question paper for 2 marks. These all examples are of 2 marks. Okay, all the examples are of 2 marks. Now here we can observe that it is also very simple. Order, that is highest order, it is dy by dx and it is d square by dx square, therefore the order will be 2. And the degree, since it is cos of dy by dx, it is not an, that is polynomial, it is not a polynomial. So what we can write here, it is degree is not defined. Okay, then the third one we shall observe, that is nothing but here y triple dash whole square plus of y double dash whole cube plus y dash whole to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 5 equal to 0. Write down the order and degree. Illi highest derivative means what? dy by dx, d square by dx square, d cube by dx cube, these are all the derivatives. Here we can observe that here the order, that is nothing but third derivative is highest here. Second derivative, first derivative and the 0 derivative. Third derivative, that is order is 3 here. And where about the degree? The power of it. What is the power of it? The power of it, it is nothing but here 2. Only the highest power we have to observe. If you are writing here 5, that is absolutely wrong here. According to degree definition, okay, what it is? The exponent power of the highest order of the highest derivative present in the given differential equation. That is nothing but our degree here. Okay, this is also a for this 1 marks, and here it is for 1 marks. Then fourth example, it is also simple. y dash whole square plus y dash minus of sine square y is equal to 0. Now here we can observe that the order it is nothing but here dy by dx, okay, that is nothing but 1. And whereas at the degree it is not defined. Why it is not defined means here we are having sine of. Always remember, in any differential equation we are having sine y dash, sine y double dash, y triple dash. We may also have log of y dash, log of y triple dash, so on, e raised to y dash, okay. Then we may have log y double dash, so on. Then such equations, for such differential equations, degree is not defined, but the order may be defined here. But what it is? The order may be defined here. Okay, dear students. Now let us move on to the next example, question paper problem. That is nothing but here fifth one. ds by dt whole raised to 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square equal to 4. Here also the problem is very simple. In all the problems, the dependent variable is y and the independent variable is x. Here in this problem, dependent variable is s here and the independent variable is t here. It is an polynomial, okay, it is an polynomial. So what we can write here, the highest order is nothing but here 1 here, okay, it is 2 here, d square s by dt square, that is 2, and as well as the degree highest order, its exponent power is 1 here, its exponential power is nothing but here 1 here. Very, very simple thing. Next comes the next problem we shall move, that is nothing but here sixth one, d cube y by dx cube plus dy by dx whole to the power of n, okay, plus of e raised to y dash equal to a. It is a constant, leave that, it is a constant. Now here what is the order as well as the degree of it? Here, dear students, we can observe that the order it is nothing but a d cube y by dx cube. Highest derivative is 3. Here the derivative is 1. Here also the derivative is 1 here. Highest is order is 3. Whereas the degree, as I said earlier, the degree is not defined whenever we are having e to the power of the dependent variable, log of dependent, and trigonometric functions of dependent variable. Then e raised to y, that is nothing but here not defined. It is not defined here. Okay, dear students. Now let us move on to the seventh example. Now here we can observe that d cube y by dx cube whole to the power of 1 by 2, which is equal to d to the power of x divided by dx to the power of 4 whole cube here. Now here clearly, whenever the given a differential equation is there, we should not have any fractional powers. That manner you look here. Of course the degree can be defined here, but whereas it comes to the, okay, order is there, order we can define, but degree we should not have any exponential power. For example, here we are having root is there. Root means what we have to do? Squaring on both the sides, okay, you have to square on both sides. So what we get here, that is a d cube y by dx cube is equal to d raised to 4 y, it is y here, dear students, y divided by dx raised to 4 cube whole square here, that is nothing but 3 2s are 6 we get, okay, that is nothing but here d cube, I will write in terms of notations, y3 is equal to y4 to the power of what it is 6 here. Now it is very simple, that is nothing but here order, okay, dear students, order is nothing but d raised to 4 by dx raised to 4, order is 4, whereas the degree, now what is the degree is highest exponent power, 3 2s are 6, highest exponent, okay, exponent of the highest derivative is 4, y4, its exponent power, that is nothing but here 6, and that is nothing but our required result. Very, very simple and easy result here. Okay, dear students, so this is nothing but what it is, all the exercise number 9.1. In the next class we shall learn about how to find what are the different types of solutions, okay, and what are the different methods to find out the solution of the differential equations. Okay dear students, before going to that, please pause the video to note it down.